What a move here on the SPY in today's volatility. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a direct notification at 5:45 a.m. of a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, bull transition as well from white with red borders to bright green bars, and the strength lasted nearly all day, and call options went up over 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to receive the clarity and edge within the volatility and join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and using these resources to navigate through the volatility of these charts and the markets in either direction, and finding opportunities within those moves and those confirmations and extra layers of confirmation in the charts. Again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us. So the SPY here had a push up from 590. We were looking for it to break through 593, and if it could, the next level we were watching was all the way up towards 595 and 597. That's where things slowed down today, and it hit it, and now we're sitting up here fighting to stay above 595. This is a critical area here at these charts, and as long as we stay below 597 and this bear indicator of a 5-minute rolls over into the 15-minute and lower time frames, we do not want to ignore it. But we're going to take a look at the home run opportunity that was sent out over at our Discord. The home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge within the charts and within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join us and join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So today, in today's volatility, our QQQ bot sent out a notification directly to the Discord at 5:45 a.m. of a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators to add that extra layer of confirmation within the volatility. So let's go ahead and jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, going ahead and doing a full transition from the dip area of white with red borders to multiple bright green bars after falling from bright green bars to white with red borders from yesterday to today. And we have those extra layers of confirmation with our bull and bear indicators. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, under a bull indicator on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and also all the way up towards the 1 hour. So right now what I'm watching here is if we have any pullback on lower time frames, such as the 5-minute, the 3-minute, which are showing bear indicators right now, it does not justify the move even further if we're just testing support such as 595 and probably all the way down towards 593.50. Why? Because the lower time frames are showing volatility and the larger time frames are still under bull indicators that have not been canceled, and that is something to not ignore. That's what I'm going to be watching here the rest of these after hours and going into tomorrow, if they could hold here on multiple larger time frames. And then when we look here at these inflow versus outflows, we could see how we actually retested and retraced to these outflow levels and resistance levels that we've been breaking down in our previous videos, which we're going to look at here, and we can see it in these charts. So as we saw with our inflow versus outflow indicator, how we touched these levels previously, right up at 597, we have now came back up and retested it once again, the 597 level, and it's actually slightly below it, but trying to go back up towards it in the after hours. And this is where 42 Vision, with those extra layers of confirmation of bull and bear indicators, it allows us to see where we may go, right? This bull indicator confirmed at 579, the market opened up at around 585, and what was the level to watch? 597, because we were pulling away from this inflow level of 581 from down here from 574 to 581, and we went up towards that resistance of 597, 599. I would just round that up to 600. 600 is still a possibility if we could break through 597 with strength and head towards the top level of that outflow level from way back here in February, right? When things accelerated down to 548 before trying to bounce back up and then rejected again. And we've broken through that outflow level of where things really dropped sharply from 563 down to 486. And then we saw inflow levels pop up at that area. And once we broke out above 570, the next level to watch was up here towards 597 to 600. And we're up here fighting to get to these levels. And today was an inflow driven day. You could see it there from yesterday to today on the 15-minute as well, the 3-minute back to back from yesterday's levels, and in the pre-market it was used as support. And this is where 42 Vision really gives us that edge with the bull and bear indicators as extra layers of confirmation of trend, and the inflow versus outflows show us why the strength is there and what is dominating, right? When the bull and bear indicators are popping up, as well as the strength of those inflows acting as supports and resistance. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is the support level of 595, then all the way down to 593.50, and then below that is the inflow level of today near the open that was used as support when it touched it, 591, 592. Those are critical levels. If they get broken through, then the next level I'll be watching is down here and we'll have to reassess. But right now, those are the key levels to the downside. To the upside, it's going to be 597, and then we could see here on the 2-hour, the top of that inflow level rejection, which turned out to be a strong outflow level of resistance, is 600. And if we can break through that and you go all the way out towards the 4-hour, you have levels up here near 610, 605 to not ignore. But we're nowhere near that just yet. We need to go ahead and assess if we can break out here from the previous rejection from back on Wednesday to Thursday. And now we're here trying to go up and retest it and retrace it, guys. So 42 Vision gives us that edge, an extra layer of confirmation of trend. You can receive that clarity and edge as well. Check out the link down below. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using it to navigate through the volatility of the charts and markets. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.